What is up, guys, and welcome back to another rainy day at Whitley Auto Works. This is going to be over the course of a couple of days, but today I've decided I'm going to take Cisco's truck the extra step and we're going to flow coat it. Now, why would you flow coat it? What is flow coating? That's what we're going to get in today. So let me set you up on a tripod real quick and we'll talk about it. So I know it's a little bit rainy. I hope you guys can hear me. I've got a bucket of soapy water right here, an 800 grit on a flat soft block, and what I'm doing is going around to my freshly done paint job. Since I did add 3 coats of clear to it, guys, I added 2 layers of pearl and a heavy layer on top of it. But after doing the oil-based paint job and doing the clear on it, sometimes you get a little bit of shrink back and everything dulls out a little bit. So to take it that extra step, that extra mile, sometimes you want to flow coat it, and basically just go back, smooth it down with 800 grit, get all the little trash and imperfections that you're probably going to have in it because you're not in a paint booth or whatever else out of it. Get it super smooth best you can, and then add 2 or 3 more coats of clear. That's going to give you the best possible finish. Everything's going to lay out much better, and it'll look like $1 million, you know, compared to what it was. You know, it's just going that extra step. And then if you want to really take it to a show car finish, you would cut and buff, or what they call color sand, after that, and get it 100% perfect. So I'm going to get to sanding. We're going to do this thing. I'm going to get it all scuffed down, and then I'll catch back up with you guys and we'll tape it up and flow coat it. Alright guys, so as far as sanding and smoothing goes with this, you just want to pretty much glide it over the panel, let the sandpaper do all the work, and you want to go until you got a consistent smooth pattern till the water's not separating and everything else. That'll tell you that you're good to go. And then any little trash, little dirt nibs you want to get out of it, you can get that out while you're at it too. Get everything flat, just like when you're painting. You don't want any shiny surface. Paint's not going to stick well to it. And then we'll clean it real good with some Dawn dish soap, wash it, just car wash stuff, and tape it up real good after it dries, and we'll get to flow coating. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got the truck all taped up, sanded down, wiped down, and we're ready to spray some clear. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so that's flow coating Cisco's truck for you. One of the main reasons I did it is because he went out of town to give his sister the other truck I painted, and she really loved it. And I was like, you know what, Cisco's been good to me, let me go above and beyond and let's take this thing back down, make a little cool episode out of it and flow coat it real quick for him, make it real nice with a lot of clear on it. That way it'll really hold up for years to come. And then if he wants to go back and cut and buff it later on, make it a perfect show truck, he'll have the option of that with the level of UV protection this thing's going to have, because it's got quite a few coats of clear now and it looks really good. So can't wait to get it all back together and put it out in the sun again and kind of compare to the last one. And I'll probably do that on next video, but I got to give this thing time to dry. But anyways guys, the other thing I want to run by you guys is another giveaway, okay? But this time around, it's going to be a little bit different, okay? And I just want your guys' thoughts and opinions if I should move this forward. You know, if enough of you guys think it's a good idea, then we'll roll with it and we'll do it. I have got probably 10 to 12, maybe more paint guns. I'm sure you guys have seen here lately, I've done a ton of paint gun reviews. And one of the main reasons why is because I wanted to do YouTube's biggest paint gun giveaway. So basically, a lot of the guns you see me use on the channel, I've used maybe one time. I cleaned them, I put them back in the box, and I haven't touched them again. And I'm like, man, they're just sitting around. They could really go to a good home. Some of these guns, you know, like the Pinto GT HVLP are like $400, $500 paint guns. Some of the other ones are $100. I've got a couple lights, like gun lights to give away, and I've got pearls, stuff like that, you know. So I wanted to do a massive giveaway for you guys. But, you know, obviously, you know me, I'm growing on YouTube, but I'm not the biggest YouTuber. So shipping would probably kill me to give away 10, 12 guns and all these other accessories and stuff like that. And I really want to do it. So I came up with an idea. I'm going to create a website. Finally an actual website to sell merch and stuff like that, and I'm gonna do a 5-inch sticker. It's a really cool sticker. I'll show you the design. A sticker and a pearl. It's gonna be a random pearl. You could get eye candy ghost pearls. You could get an ultra shift pearl. It could be all kinds of different pearls. You'll get one pearl at random, you'll get a sticker, and you'll get a ticket per order. And the sales are going to be $5 each. It'll be $5 for shipping, so $10. But like I said, each sale is going to be one entry into the giveaway. Now, the giveaway will be a free giveaway. It's not for the sales of that, but in order to be entered in the random free giveaway, you'll have to pick up you know, a pearl sticker kit. So once you do that, you'll be entered in the giveaway, and I'm only doing 200, guys. 200 is kind of the magic number, 200 stickers and pearls. And if I can get anywhere close to that, that would really help me out when it comes time to do the shipping and pay to cover the paint guns and everything like that. Because like I said, these are some very expensive guns. And most of the time, when you see other YouTubers give away a gun, they give away like 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 at most. And usually one's really expensive and the other 2 are super cheap. And you know me from doing giveaways in the past, if you've been with me long enough, that, you know, I'm true. I don't choose or pick biases or anything like that. If I legitly send this stuff to subscribers, and I know a lot of you guys can comment and attest from that, because a lot of you guys are still watching me and you won something from me in one of the past 2 or 3 giveaways I've done. But this time around, guys, I want to do a massive one to say thank you for the 30,000 plus. Now we're at like 34,500 subscribers, and I just really wanted to do something and go crazy in a way that no other YouTuber has to kind of give back to you guys and say thanks. I don't know. I want you guys' thoughts and opinions. Let me know. If enough of you guys are like, man, that's a great idea, let's do it, then hey, we'll move forward. And like I said, at 200 spots, and I'm giving away probably 15 to 20 prizes, I mean, your chances would be a lot better than some of these other, you know, deals that everybody's got going on, you know. And like I said, 200 will be the cutoff. If I sell less than 200, I'll probably give it like a month, and I'll keep promoting it on episodes. And then after a month, that's it. We close it down. I'll go live on the weekend, either a Saturday or Sunday. I'll tell you guys way in advance, and I'll probably have Josh, my wife, some other people on with me. And yeah, we'll just kind of draw, and you won't have to be present for the live to win, because we'll have, you know, your information through the tickets, so I can still send you everything. But it'll just I thought it would be kind of a fun, gathering of things. So let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments. What'd you think of today's episode, doing the flow coating and stuff like that? Yeah, that's kind of what I got for you guys for today. Appreciate you guys tremendously for watching. If you made it this far and you like cool giveaways and, tutorials and stuff like this and just watching me do painting stuff, then definitely take a second, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Ring the little bell beside it. That way you'll get notified every time a new episode drops. And leave me a quick like and comment, guys. Engagement is key with YouTube so I can continue to spread out and do crazy episodes like this. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. So I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on that next episode.